So here's the entranceway. And here's the living room. Dining room. Goes into the kitchen. Got a dishwasher. Comes with a fridge. It's a pretty new range. And here's the balcony. And it goes out and actually connects to the master bedroom.
Take a picture.
Hold on, sweetie. This turns into the bathroom. It is a one bath. Here's a bunch of the closet space I was telling you about. This goes into the bedroom. Closet. The double closet here. Tori here to model it for you. There's the master bedroom.